Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Today we're going to have a little update on the RGV 250. We've got some parts in, so yeah, let's crack on with the video. Right, let's have a look.
Oh Christ, yeah.
Right, so you got this is an unboxing for you.
And it's a big box.
Yeah, so that's the parts. Let's have a look. We've got parts here to look at. The frame, wheels. Should we look at the frame and wheels?
Let's look at them.
Put your bench up a bit, shall we? Right, let's have a look at the swing arm first.
Swinging arm.
So this was all done by Wheelworks, Colchester. Powder coated. Black swing arm. That's the swing arm all black.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Satin black. Look at that.
See that thing, I'll put that down the sun cone out. It's a
Yeah,
sign.
sun come out. Move that box.
Sign.
It's like Christmas in here. Get the main frame out. And we've got to take bolts out of this. That. You like that?
Yeah, that looks fantastic.
Frame. That's all done. We just got to take all these bolts out again.
Yeah, we'll do that now. Look at
Look
that.
how nice they look. So in here we've got all the bearings. Chain and sprocket. Gold chain. Now you need your knife. What's your poster up there anyway? Got a pin up girl, have you?
There's so much tape on it.
Right, so this is from Jack 4 Performance.
It's a box of foam.
Yeah. I'll take that. Alright, so let's have a look. That's the exhaust, that's the phone. I might need to put some of that back on there after.
This is very light. Very light. When I give this to you, you'll have to hold this down to stop it floating away.
Keep them bits, because I want to put some stuff back on. Yeah, but I've got to put...
Would you
I've got to
rewrap
store it
presents or
again.
something?
Okay, look. Wow.
Look at
Look how
this. Oh my
easy that was.
You wait
Oh
till you
my
feel it.
god.
That's a proper two-stroke.
I can't tell you how light this is.
Let me feel it. Liam, seriously, feel that.
Feel the weight of that. Andy, come through this.
That is actually weird how light that is.
Look, if I let go,
It's weirdly light. Look how good that looks. That's going to sound nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, I love these welds.
Yeah, proper nails.
Yeah, that's so nice, isn't it? Look at the sections there, look.
Well, I'm impressed with that already, are you?
Yeah.
Come and feel it.
Well, your pipe or Martin's pipe?
Fill my pipe.
that's lovely, that welding, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's like weirdly light, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It feels like it's made of air.
Man, that
Do you know
looks
what
so
that is?
cool.
Giant bong.
That's an old Lilt can.
Yeah. It feels like a little
They
can.
just took the sticker off. Have you got the silencers yet?
Yeah, silencers should be in here as well.
Right.
Fucking hell, how much lighter is this bike going to be? Paul, feel that seat unit. Even that, Liam.
You're going to need
that.
to put some weight on.
Feel that. That's the carbon mudguard.
So again, that's 600 to this.
Yeah.
This is 100 times better, isn't it? But look at
To be fair, the 250 is about 100 times better than the 600.
Yeah, so
Mark,
this is
that's a
the
proper
TYGA.
finish, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
TYGA Bodywork.
It was worth the wait, wasn't it? And the money.
That's nice, that seat unit, isn't it? It's thicker than the NC30 that we haven't announced about yet, isn't it?
What NT30?
What NC30?
Yeah, what NC30? Well, you're just looking rummaging for me cans, ain't you?
Come on, Paul, hurry up.
Fucking ease on a wind up, isn't it?
This
Oh,
is
I
Right, and you're like,
Is that a can?
Oh, it's a can. Don't worry, I'm used to having something like that.
You're having someone else's cup
yeah,
in
that
your
bloke I've been in touch with. Right there.
These are going to look so cool.
Look at this.
Right, here, look, that's like that, but
Oh
all
my
that
god.
We'll work that out, yeah.
How light is it? Fucking hell, this bike will literally float. Liam pretend that he knows.
wrap that back up in that, Liam. Just don't.
Look at that, Liam. Do you like
Otherwise,
that?
he'll be putting that on the left-hand side.
So that's them.
I've gone like this.
We've got all the fairing.
What else we got?
Hold on. Oh, that's the subframe. The subframe is really heavy on the RGV.
Is it made out of scaffold?
That don't really weigh anything again.
Lightweight conversion kit.
The oil bottle, 2-stroke bottle, and seat pad.
What's this, the mug
Fairing. Exhaust manifold.
Exhaust manifolds. That's the hugger.
That's nice, isn't it?
Edit it all out.
That's nice.
You're a hero though. This has had a 14-hour
restoration.
It's like a piece of paper.
It's lined in something else on the inside, isn't it?
You can see the weave look through it.
Yeah.
Right. Feel that? It's literally like a biscuit.
Speaking of which,
Speaking of which, we've got some
Got
cookies.
some new biscuits.
Right, so hold on a second. So we've got loads of bits that we will look at. That's the lower, there's the, oh yeah, screen, we better watch that screen. I can't believe how light that even is.
It's all light. It's amazing. It's amazing.
What have we got in there? Something squeaky, is there a mouse?
Halloumi.
Oh, look at that.
That, it's got one of those. That's your starter. But that goes on the front of the bike.
I'll get the other footrest hangers out and have a
Right.
look.
That's your heel guard on there as well, that's cool.
Yep, heel guard, carbon.
Nice.
You like that?
I need some resets for my Kawasaki.
Do you want to open that up?
That's probably the heaviest bit.
That's the triple clamp. Can we weigh it when it's done? I think you could hold it in your arms. You could just lift it up. You must be able to lift 100 kilos, can't you? Liam certainly can.
Easy.
Liam does. Liam bench presses.
Do you,
bet
even
you
lift, do you lift one?
I did squats the other day. Couldn't walk for 3 days.
Look at that.
Proper.
Does that weigh anything?
It doesn't weigh a lot, no. Got the top clamp here. Do you want to see
Oh, it's
that?
like
That's the bit we want to see.
Oh, so much wrapping.
They
Honestly.
so much wrapping, didn't they? They don't mess about. Jack 4 Performance, they're called.
That's a nice bit of engineering,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that is cool, isn't it? I love a bit of billet, I love welding and I love carbon.
And nuts. With them black Öhlins slipped in there.
Fucking hell, that's going to look so cool.
What tyres did we get?
Tyres are nice.
Metzler.
I'll give you back the bag, kids.
Yeah, don't take them to Belgium. Metzler M9RRs.
Fully, that means really, really fast.
Really sticky.
I can't believe how light this bike's going to be. What do you think?
I've got jewellery that weighs more than this.
Yeah,
One of Simon's watches weighs more than this.
probably does. So what should we do? Should we put the tyres on the wheels?
Yeah, we can.
Fancy doing that?
Yes. Do you know the direction on the wheels?
Absolutely not.
get it lubed up. Let's get it done.
Can you not make my wheels too dirty, please?
I'll try not to.
That's all. Right.
Where's the biscuits, man?
We got biscuits out there, cookies,
Where?
on the shelf bit behind the desk.
Look at him lubing himself up.
I like putting it round the ring.
Fucking hell, bet at night like he goes home and got one of them in there in the tub in next
Oh,
to
it ain't like that when you got to sort it out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need a tea in a minute.
Do you? I
Yeah.
need a tea. Do you want to make one, Nick?
Yeah.
We'll make a tea.
So no, apparently somewhere in the world is going to be sunny. Are we out in the Brighton next week? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, man. Monday. Coming in.
Paul,
So
man.
that's got the arrow going that way, yeah?
Yeah.
You'll have to get one of the bikes out, Paul.
Where's that dot? Yeah, I'll get a bike out.
What's happening tonight? He's next to things.
Oh, let's open them.
Liam's straight in there. Go on, Liam.
Liam can't, he just can't see a tyre be done
He loves.
without him involved in it, can he?
Yeah, this is like a day of my dreams, this.
Yeah.
Biscuits and
Tyre
tyres.
and a biscuit.
Tyres
Can
and-
I have one of them biscuits?
Do you have him one, Nick? Oh, your mouth's full of them.
Mine's just coming all the way round. Isn't it? No one it looked so flat before. Look how like tight it is.
I like it. Tight. Lovely Donna.
Hold on a minute, we're eating the biscuit.
Oh, you eat my biscuit?
She said she can only suck.
No, this is I can only
She
suck.
can't chew, she can only suck.
Nothing bigger than a straw, so.
Nothing bigger than a straw. Are we talking length or thickness?
It's all well and good going all in one, but then you have to go to the toilet, don't you? And it's like,
Yeah, Paul's the same.
I just go to the toilet with it on.
His pants are pulled so far up his chest, they're like all in ones, aren't they? Yeah, thanks for the biscuits.
I can't come here empty-handed.
No. That looks alright, doesn't it? Messy.
At the moment, give me a break.
Cody, look at the state of my wheel. It's brand new.
Now, do you want one of those valve caps we got? One of the fancy ones?
Why? What do you mean?
Look,
Let's have a look.
these.
Well, yeah, of course I want them on there.
Got R on it.
But look at all this. What's all this?
Smeared it round, clean it. Get some stardust on it.
Man, no wonder your bedroom's in such a mess.
I've never seen my bedroom.
How do you know? You know, sometimes you've looked out your window, you think it looks a bit frosty out there. That's not frost on the glass. That's my breath. Soft. Look, you can push the edge of that in. Squidgy. Paul. You're going to ride this, in you?
Yeah, I'll fresh the
that
bollocks
direction.
off it.
Short shift it?
I might do.
Not very good short shift in a little 252 stroke. You know?
Every shift Paul does is a short shift.
Exactly. Right.
What are they trying to say? Hold on a minute.
Yeah.
Are you supposed to? I wouldn't put bearings in them. We're going to put weights on them to check they're all right or not.
Where the bearings are in here, the discs are on.
Oh, Frank's still there. Oh, Frank, you're back again, mate. Hello.
Is this harder than it should be?
It's only because they're super fast tyres. See? Wait.
Suppose it's your bike and they're doing work.
I'm filming it.
Always the way.
What is it, Frank?
Well, don't make him nibble me.
Get in, Frank.
Oh, no. It's the debt collector.
It's that time, boys.
How much was Simon's?
37.
37. Dude.
You owe me
After that joke, then.
17.
17? It can't be 17 quid.
Boss, what's mine?
You are 23.
23. 23. That's a high one for me. And I've not
What
eaten.
day is it?
Saturday.
What's the date?
Ah. Yeah, but Simon paid that, didn't he?
No, he didn't. He's only a tenner.
It's caught us, we're in April.
No.
Aren't you meant to only do it before 12 o'clock?
No, but I'd like to say it's April Fools, but it was almost believable that we had to pay this
Yeah.
I
amount.
nearly went up and punched Lucy.
We're all trying to think, what did we eat? Because I know I've eaten a lot.
Probably you're 5.
5. Well done, Liam.
I feel it shrinking.
Yeah, that's what she said. I've no idea what under what.
We'll work it out.
We'll work it out.
Yeah, it was a
I
joke.
like that joke. Well, that was some parts for the RGV 250. Obviously from TYGA we had the top fairing kit, we had the seat fairing kit, we had the mirror stay, the footrest hangers, triple clamp set, we had the expansion chambers, and we had the carbon end cans. Oh yeah, and the rear hugger and mudguard set. The frame, swing arm and wheels was all done by Wheelworks in Colchester. They've done an awesome job on them, powder coating them. We're just waiting for BG Motorsport to finish off the Öhlins, the forks and the rear shock. Can't wait to get them back. Then we're going to get this bike back together, and yeah, I'm so looking forward to riding it. Also, we've got some other bikes to do some videos on, because I have bought another couple of bikes. Got a K1S 252 stroke, got a VFR 400 NC30 with all TYGA bits on it, different forks, brakes, all different bits. We will have other videos on them, so but I thought I'd give you a little teaser. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Right, you've got a choice of tea bags here. Do you want a triangle or do you want a round one?
Surprise me.
So now tomorrow you're going to ride your bike, yeah?
Well, the weather's good. What you done?
Fuck's sake.
What's up?
I put sugar on yours. Now you've seen what fucking tea bag you have.
It's boring.
No.
I'm sick of it.
Sick of what? Riding in?
When did I pick that bike up?
Well, you picked that up 3 weeks ago, was it? You haven't even sat on it, have you?
No.
What about my RGV?
Everything's in limbo.
K1S? Limbo. RGV? Limbo. You know the only thing that I have ridden and started up and literally starts like a dream.
Frankie.
I think it's half filled of water. Definitely had a water issue, didn't it?
It's like a steam engine.
And the Honda.
Hondas start, don't they?
They don't go nowhere, but they start. Oh, you know what I watched last night, didn't you?
Naked Men.
No. Jaws.
You watch Jaws?
Yeah, when do you think Jaws was? That early 70s, I think. It's done brilliant, really. The acting looks good.
What, even the shark?
The shark, not so good. I'd love to have been, I'd say alive in the 70s. Obviously, I was born in the 70s, but you know, like, I'd like to have been your age in the 70s.
What, 36?
Was she 36 in the 70s? But so look, been given this classic bikes.
Now, what year's that?
What, does it look old?
It looks really old.
It's been fingered a lot.
Haven't we all?
So this is, I've not got no glasses on, April 2023. Life and times of the 252 strokes. Aerial arrow, you ever heard of one of them?
I've heard of it, yeah.
To the 90s, Kawasaki KR1S.
Perfect.
Look, the RD and GT in the 70s. Remember them going to war, do you?
Oh, yeah. What was that war?
What, Vietnam War? Yeah, so they had the RD 250s, TZR 250s, then into the 90s, going out with a bang. I don't know if that means going out with a bang or going out blowing up. Good day, look. So it'd be interesting. Other than that, after I read that, you can read all this really old stuff. Freddie Spencer was trapped in my toilet. Let's go and have some biscuits. You ate all them Kit Kats yet?
I'm going down the pack.
Yeah, so this is our magazine of the week. How much do you think this magazine is?
£2.40.
This magazine is £5.75.
No.
Classic Bike magazine is the magazine to get if you can get it second hand. Well, I'm hoping that read is going to be good.
I'm not buying a magazine again if they're that costly. I'll wait till they're given to me. Has he got any more?
Let's ask him. Got any more free mags? Look at that. Them. Oh, I'm glad Dion's here. We're just looking at the magazine.
Which one?
This one.
Do you know how much that magazine was?
Razzle.
Razzle.
No, I think it was a gift. How much was it?
£5.75. Is that dear for a magazine?
It is for a magazine.
Yeah, was it worth it? Quite a lot of info in there, isn't there? Have it back.